Yo, what's up guys? In this video I will introduce you to my new trading system, and it's mainly a swing trading system. And yeah, as you can see, I have a few indicators. This one is not really relevant, but yeah, as you can see, a few indicators over here. And yeah, I tried it for a few weeks now and it works. I will quickly go over it and I will show you yeah, how many pips I gained this last week. And I was where I expected to do this video in the weekends, but yeah, it's quite busy, so yeah, I had to postpone it to Monday. But let me go over a few pairs. These pairs met all the conditions to enter the trade. It's the out USD. Let me take a look. Yeah, we took this one over here, so there was about 30 trade, yeah, 30 25 30 pips. So that was a winner. We take a look at the out New Zealand as well. There was a nice trade around here, and let me take a look. We made 40 pips, so the exit is over here. We made 40 pips. Let me take a look at the next one, the Euro odd. So yeah, we entered about here, and this one was 110 pips, so that was, yeah, over here. Let me take a look. Euro New Zealand over here, because I see over here 113, yeah, about here, 113 pips. Then we have 40 pips. That was, let me take a look. It was cut CHF, was, yeah, about 40 pips, cut CHF. And last but not least, New Zealand CHF, New Zealand Swiss, yeah, that was 81 pips, about this. Yeah, so if we are going to add all the numbers up, 25, 40, 110, 113, 40, 81, so that's about 409 pips with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades, with 6 trades. So yeah, and these trades are all swing trades, so yeah, there's not, yeah, it's not that you have to keep looking every single minute, that your eyes are glued on the screen. No, yeah, just simple swing trades. And yeah, I really like this system. I really like it because yeah, it gives you freedom back. So this is a introduction to the swing master, is what I call it, because yeah, it's a swing trading system. And yeah, I'm really happy with it, and yeah, I will continue using this. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.